Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Open Home Pro app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store listings and the developer's website, Open Home Pro is a real estate tool designed to help agents run open houses digitally and capture visitor information without using paper sign-in sheets. According to these sources, the app allows visitors to sign in on a tablet, making it easier for agents to collect accurate contact details and avoid handwritten errors. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Official descriptions state that the app includes customizable digital sign-in forms, allowing agents to ask specific questions and gather more detailed lead information. The platform also allows users to add notes for each visitor and manage leads directly within the app for follow-up purposes. According to App Store details, Open Home Pro supports automatic follow-up emails with branding, which may help agents stay in touch with potential buyers after the event. There are also features like lead exporting, analytics, and reporting tools that provide insights into open house performance and visitor activity. The app can work offline during open houses and sync data later, which may be useful in areas with limited internet connectivity. Official sources mention unlimited open houses and listings, along with the ability to create shareable property pages for marketing purposes. This may indicate that the app focuses heavily on lead capture, organization, and follow-up rather than full real estate transaction management. This app may be useful for real estate agents who want a paperless system to manage open house visitors and leads. For users interested in simplifying lead collection and follow-up during property showings, this could be an option. However, its usefulness depends on how frequently open houses are hosted and whether the workflow fits an agent's process. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.